everyone, today we are going to pick up an easy question, that is valid word abbreviation. This is one of the questions on Leetcode, but it is under premium, so that's why I'm using an alternative website, that is Leetcode. So in this website you can get all the questions that are there on Leetcode, including the premium ones, for free. So it is an relatively easier problem. So what it is saying is that if a word is given, it could be written in the following format, where if, let's suppose, 2RD is given, that means there are two letters and then there are the remaining letters, that is R and D. Let's suppose R1 W1 R1, that means W, then there is one word. It could be anything, there is no restriction on the word, then there is a word R, and then there is a random word that could be anything. So at the end of the day, what they are asking is that you are given a string S and you are given an abbreviation of the string, that is this, and you are asked whether this abbreviation of the string is right or not. So let's see, I'll quickly draw something, I guess. So see, here initially we are, let's suppose, at this point, and the other pointer is pointing to an abbreviation. We will check whether these two characters are same or not. Firstly, we will check if they are a digit or not. If they are not a digit, then we will just completely check whether these two characters are same or not. And if they are same, then we will move on, else we'll return false right away. And if they are same, we will increment our I and j. Then we will check whether now is it a digit or not. If it says yes, it is a digit, so we'll try to get the digit out of the abbreviation, and whatever digit we get will be the number of values that we will be skipping at the end of the day. So from here we will get a value that is 12. The digit value that we will get is 12. So we have to increment this I, or this pointer I, to plus 12. Whatever the value that we have with us right now, we will increment it by plus 12. So if we increment it by plus 12, you will see that we will end up on this particular position of I, and we are currently over here. The moment we skip our digit, or the moment we are done with calculating the digit, we are incrementing our j at the end of the day as well. So this is my I, this is my j. I'll again check if it is not a digit, then we will just compare these character values. So we'll check, is this value and this value same or not. If it says it is same, then we will further increment our I and our j, and the same thing will happen. We will check whether these two characters are same or not. If they were not same, we would have just returned false. But we can see this, yeah, both of them are equal to z, so we can increment it. Then we will I think, yeah, okay, this is A, don't get confused. So this is I, and this is my j right now, right? So here again I saw that the digit that I'll get out of this while loop will be 4. So I'll increment my I for whatever value it is plus 4. So the moment I do so, my I will reach here and my j is already here. Then I'll again check whether these two characters are same or not. If they are same, we will keep on moving again and again. And if at the end of the day we are able to reach, or we are able to traverse both our string S and our abbreviation ABR, then we will return true, else we'll return false. So this is the small explanation, and if you quickly go through the code, you will see that, as mentioned, we will have two pointers, I, which will be pointing to the word, and pointer j that will be pointing to our abbreviation ABBR. Okay, and we'll do the same thing. One more thing to notice over here, as mentioned, is it is mentioned that if you are given 0 at any point, then we will just return false. So that is just a base case, or edge case that we are writing. Okay, then after that, what we are doing, we are just checking if the value, or if the character value that we have just received, if it is a digit, then we will figure out whatever the digit is at the end of the day, and then we will increment our I. Else, if it is not a digit, we will just go ahead and check if the characters are same or not. If they are same, we will keep on going, we'll keep on doing I plus plus j plus plus. But if the characters are not equal, then we will return false. That's all is the code. if we talk about the space and time complexity, so at the end of the day, this while loop will go on for, in the worst case, it will go on for all the characters that are present inside my s, right? Assume this s and ABBR are actually equal. There is no integer value that is given. So at the end of the day, basically it will be running for, in the worst case, will be running for of n time complexity, where n is the length of the word. So TC will be equal to of n, correct? And in terms of space complexity, we can see that we are not using any additional space, so our space complexity will be of 1. So that's all. It is an easy problem. I just thought it is under premium, so why not explain it. Thank you so much.